What's up? We restoring this one? We restoring Silva? Alright, what do we got?
It's all right.
Oh?
Hey! Ew.
I don't even remember what cutscene I got last time.
No matter who I may be, even if I serve as little more than an empty vessel, you have stored so many precious memories inside of my heart, and I promise I will never allow them to fade away.
Aww. That's sweet.
Whatever happens, I will always be with you. Just as you will always be within my heart. And now, goodbye.
Huh? Don't tell me she turns into the queen. Oh, that's a lot of the successor vestiges. That's more than I thought. But they're all gonna go into her now, aren't they? Instead of my character. Oh my god. Oh, even their vestiges.
Alex.
And my characters? Oh, wow.